Okay, I'm going to go over how to make a post and get your first post out there. The one thing I forgot in the first video was if you're on the site, you're going to see this bar down here at the bottom, and it's a social bar. So anything on the site, if you go to a different page, it'll actually tweet that page that you're on. It will like that page on Facebook, share it, and so on. And you can actually change the language of the site here as well. Different buttons will show up here, so you can share it, submit it to Reddit, stumble upon, and so on. One cool feature with this bar down here is that you can actually join a chat, so you can see how many people are on the site, and you can join the chat and log in with either Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, or Yahoo. And when you connect into it, you can actually just chat with people right through the site. So it's pretty good. When it gets popular, you can really start talking to people that are blogging on the site or checking it out if they log into here. So let's go back to how to make your first post. And one thing I just want to be pretty clear about is that you don't have to make a really big post and have everything perfect. You can learn that through the site if you want to, but I'm just going to show you how to post if you just want to post a simple paragraph or anything like that. And then we'll get into like making photo galleries and how to do the videos and how to do everything else later on. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to just make a simple post, and that you would do in here. So you would, when you log in, you'll be into your dashboard, and then you can just go up here to posts and add new post. And then this is what the feature of the site looks like. So this is going to be everything that you need right here. Your categories, and this is something I really want to go over in this video too, is the categories. So you would just enter the post of your title here, sample post for video, and that's going to show up right here. So that's where it's going to show up right here in the site. This title too is also really good for SEO. So if I typed in blogging San Diego, then you can actually change your permalink down here, so it'll just be, and now it's going to be at northsandiego.org and then /blogging-San Diego, and this part right here will get picked up in Google for blogging San Diego for those keywords. So at the very least, there's two different ways you want to do a title. One is to really entice the reader to want to click it, and the other would be just for SEO purposes. So if you can do either one or whatever, but you don't have to do either one at all. You can just type in whatever you want, sample post, or just an update for the week. Now down here is the body of the post, so you can see HTML or visual tabs here. I don't personally, I use the HTML one sometimes, but it's just copy and pasting stuff into it. With the visual tab, it gives you a whole bunch of options built in. I'm going to add more of these too, so it'll make life a lot easier. You can just insert a YouTube video straight in here. You can say, hey, sample post, etc. And then that's it. I mean, you can post it to a category. So one of the categories, events, if you post it to events, it will be at the top of the page where that featured event section is, so it'll post it right here in this feature. So it will post your event right here. So don't try to put anything else aside events for that right now. And then there's just a whole bunch of other categories, and if there's not one that you see there, we'll just make one for you. So sometimes some posts, it could be like an event, and then it could be like maybe it's photography, or maybe it's an event for a restaurant or something. If there's multiple categories, then that's okay. Just try not to click like all of them. So just try to follow along with the categories. Sometimes I have 2 or 3 categories per post if it falls under those, and that's okay. So if we publish this right now, it should pop up. If we refresh this. So there it is. We put it under the events section, so it's up top, and it's sample post. So if we click it, then there's the post right there. I'm going to show you how to add a picture here in the next video, so just hang tight.